Hey crafty friends, it's Amanda with Pear Blossom Press. Today I'd like to introduce you to our Power Pack. It's a battery holder and push button switch combo that makes creating light up cards fast and easy. We've designed it with the silver positive and negative pads on both sides. That allows you to run your copper tape circuit to either the top or bottom of the unit. You can see the push button switch is on the left, and the battery holder accommodates your standard coin cell battery that you'd use for Chibitronics or other LEDs. Now let me show you how easy it is to create a card with one. I've already created a stenciled background, and I've got a birthday cake and a candle that I'd like to pop up and light up. Once I know where I want to place my LED sticker and Power Pack, I'll mark them onto my card base. In this case, I've already stamped push here onto my cake, so I want to be sure to line up the button right underneath it. I'm going to trace around the Power Pack so I can easily run my copper tape to the correct place. And remember, you want to connect the positive side of your Power Pack to the positive side of your LED sticker. I find it's easiest just to mark the positive and negative on my card base so I don't mix them up. Here I'm using a Chibitronics LED sticker. They're sold separately. You can see they mark the positive and negative sides for your reference. Also note the little resistor here. You're going to want to make sure that no copper tape touches it when you run your circuit. I'm using copper tape with conductive adhesive. That means electricity flows through both the copper and the adhesive on the bottom. I like this tape best because I don't have to try to curve or fold it around any corners. I can just tear and stick pieces down wherever I want. As long as one piece touches the next, electricity can flow through. And I'm running tape from the positive side of the LED spot to the positive side of the Power Pack, and then I'll repeat for the negative side. I'm making sure to leave a gap for the LED sticker as well as for my Power Pack. To adhere my Power Pack, I like to use a strong double-sided tape. You could use a wet glue, but be sure none of it seeps onto the silver tabs, or it could interrupt the flow of the electricity. I'll adhere my Power Pack in place, and then my LED sticker. Again, make sure you get them lined up correctly. I like to reinforce my circuit with a little more copper tape at the joints, just to make sure the connections are all secure. But again, I'm avoiding that resistor on the sticker. Now I can pop my battery in, and I'm going to make sure to put the positive side up. Then I test the circuit and it works. Now it's just a matter of assembling the rest of my card. I'll go ahead and glue the background in place. I'm going to add a double layer of foam tape around my cake. The Power Pack is the same thickness as 2 layers of foam, so it's no thicker than your standard shaker card. Once I get my cake down, I'll go ahead and stick the candle in place. And it's right over my light. And then I've got a die cut sentiment that I'm going to glue down. And just like that, an LED card is born. Gone are the days of having to build paper switches. You can get your Power Packs from Pear Blossom Press and start making light up cards today.